Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download and install PayPal application on your iPhone. First of all, make sure that your iPhone is connected to a stable internet. Once it is done, open your App Store. Go to the search box at the top inside your App Store and then type in PayPal. Look for the PayPal Send Money Pay application from PayPal Inc. and tap on the Get or the Install button to start downloading the app on your iOS device. Wait for a couple of minutes and the application will be downloaded. PayPal is a popular online payment platform that allows individuals and businesses to make transactions, pay for goods and services, and transfer money securely over the internet. After the application is installed, you can tap on the Open button to launch Open PayPal on your iPhone. And there you have it. That is how you download PayPal on iPhone in just a couple of steps. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics for more PayPal tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Goodbye till then.